We want to go back to Chopper 6 over Atlantic City. Do we have that? We want to show you part of the inlet boardwalk. How about this? Take a look at this damage here. An inlet boardwalk of Atlantic City. This is not where the casinos are, but this is part of where the residential hotels at that end of the boardwalk, and just the damage and destruction here. Hurricane Sandy just kind of tearing to pieces what was an inlet boardwalk here that people used. As we pull out, you can see just where we're talking about, this part of Atlantic City, and the devastation looks to be extended for several miles right there. You can also see some of the damage to the property as well. And look at those streets, flood ravaged. The good news is we don't see any people out there, but looks maybe one or two people walking around, but just so much flood damage to the streets of Atlantic City. It's going to take years to recover from this damage and destruction.
Presumably those few walking are officials. The governor has asked everyone not to go out for walks, not to try to come assess their own damage. It will be several days before he gives the all clear for that.